Multiplying by 4 and by 8 can be some of the most challenging facts to commit to memory, but they become much easier when you think about multiplying by 2. Why by 2? Well, multiplying by 2 really just means double. 5 times 2 means double 5, 10. 9 times 2 means double 9, 18. But how does that help us with times 4 and times 8? Well, times 4 can be written as 2 times 2, because 2 times 2 is 4, and 6 times 2 times 2 represents the same thing. Double 6 is 12, double 12 is 24. And multiplying by 8, I can think of 8 as 2 times 2 times 2. And so 6 times 2 times 2 times 2 means double 6, and then double it again. Double 6 is 12, double 12 is 24, double 24 is 48. That's why you often hear 4s as double doubles and 8s as double, double, doubles. Here's 2 problems to try on your own. Again, think of 9 times 4 as a double double, and 3 times 8 as a double, double, double. Good luck.